Hi everyone, welcome to my crochet class. We are going to learn crochet by Gufran. Today we are going to learn how to join granny squares. We will do step by step. Just keep watching and follow my pattern. You can do very well. Let's start joining now. It will look like this. It will be super clean, and even sometimes it's not look like there is some joining or something. It will be super clean. So we have to pick up one thread and we have to make slip knot. And remember, it always thread will be back side. We will keep holding thread from back side, and from front side we will start stitching, and it's called slip stitch. We will keep granny square side by side, and I'm counting my stitch. Both sides should be same stitches. If this side is like 15 and 30, like how many stitches you have, so both sides should be same. Now I'm going to count the second granny square. I have 26 stitches, so there is surely should be 26 stitches. Then it will be like a proper joining. If there is like less and more, it will be not look nice. So just remember, it should be like both side same stitches. Sometimes we miss, but we have to keep counting. We have to go inside in the first stitch. It's little harder because it's corner, but I passed. Now I'm going in this side. Here also we have to go inside the first stitch. Here is the first one, so we have to go in the first stitch, and the loop what we made like a slip knot, this is the slip knot, and we have to hold this in the needle and we have to pass in from both stitch together, and we passed it, and now we have to go to the next stitch, and like this we have to keep going in the next stitch. So we are going in a next stitch in the first granny square, and then we will go to the second granny square in a second stitch, like next to we have to go, and we have to pass both stitches and like both loops. Now we reach to the corner. Corner is really important because corner we have to make finish, then it will look nice. So we have to pass it here, like we was this side, now we are going that side. Look how I'm doing. Just keep watching how I'm doing. Just follow my hand. You will do same as I am doing. Here I'm making slip stitch on this stitch what we made, like left to right and it's up to down, it's like that. So I made on previous stitch one slip knot, and now we are going to make again like this, like first stitch left, first stitch right we have to pick up, and just next to next we have to go. We have to continue till end, and we have to keep processing like this, how we are doing till here. And now we will finish here, and corner we have to work, then finish, then corner again. You know how to make our corner. If you need any help, just drop comment. Now you can see it's proper join, and it's really nice, it's really finished. And now it's your turn, you have to work on it. Thanks for watching. See you in next class. Bye.